The blades of this razor cartridge were given an oil coating to improve corrosion protection. But is the coating truly homogeneous? In this video, we will use the LUMOS II FTIR microscope to verify coating quality and demonstrate how quickly it can reveal irregularities on metal surfaces. The razor blade cartridge is placed into a sample holder for IR analysis. The holder is positioned under the microscope and brought into focus. The visual image already shows an uneven distribution of oil droplets across the blade surface. FTIR microscopy characterizes samples both visually and chemically. We will use IR imaging and begin analysis by selecting a region of interest. Each red tile in the measurement grid captures 1024 IR spectra with a spatial resolution of 5 micrometers per pixel. During the measurement, IR light passes through the oil, reflects off the metal, and passes the oil again. By using this IR reflectance method, over 12,000 spectra are recorded in about 16 seconds. From the infrared data, chemical hotspots are highlighted here. The oil droplets appear in bright red. The IR spectra display typical CH absorption bands, confirming the identity of the coating oil. Chemical information like this is vital to rule out chemical causes and optimize production processes to prevent such defects from happening in the future. This makes troubleshooting much easier. Thank you for watching.